So I'm coming back to some video equipment now, and I actually got myself a cage. Basically the rigs from Small Rig are a bit too expensive, and I came across these from Neewer at quite a good price. And I've never had a cage, I've never put one before, and I just said I'll give it a go. Now I'm going to try to put this together, assemble it. Basically just take a look at the instructions and go along with it. I'll open it up, and there we go. The instructions which I'm going to use are in here. You have a Chinese side and also the English side on it. I'm going to use this and try to put this cage together. It's for the Sony A7 cameras, and also it's going to work for the GH4, and from the A7S to A7, the A7R, R2 and S2. In here you have the screws, you have the Allen keys that you need, and the components for this cage. Now, like I said, I'm going to go in the instructions and try to put this thing together. It is a metal cage, it does feel a touch heavy, but I guess that's what metal is for you. And putting all the pieces here so you can see them. Okay. There we are. And then get this out. Two Allen keys, 3 screws. Now, first of all, the instructions on it, they say basically get this in here. I'm gonna get them the same height. For this purpose of this, somewhat the same height. Tighten this up. These are my rails, and then basically we have to get this connected to the cage. Now that's the bottom of it, that's the top. This is going to come right in here and be tightened with a couple of screws. And like I said, I haven't done this before, never. I guess it comes from this side. I'm gonna check once again of how this exactly goes. Like I said, I don't really know. From this side, or does it come from this side? Okay, turn it around and just have another quick look at this. Yep. Okay. I can see that is the bottom of it, and I'm just trying to figure out which one is. No. So it's gotta go like this with these 2 screws from here. They would go onto this side like so. Trying to get the first one just to catch a little bit, and then there we are, and get the second one in. These are the 2 screws, and I'm going to tighten it up with this small Allen key. It is a little bit fiddly, but we'll get there eventually. That is one done, and then the second. Okay, Let's tighten it up a little bit more. That is tight enough for me. And then the second one. So the second screw is a little bit wider. I guess this is a manufacturing defect right here. As you can see, my Allen key goes in it and then just snaps out of it. So I think I'll contact Neewer to replace this, and I don't want to send this back, but that's got to be replaced because you take it out, you won't be able to take it out basically. I'm gonna try to undo it. No, that's not gonna work. I'll use a different Allen key later on for that. So that's that, and then the second part of it would be to attach this on the top. I will place it straight in the middle. What do I have? I have 2, 4, 6 holes, but I'll just place it on the third hole, and I guess it's going to tighten with this screw here. From the top, use the bigger Allen key for it. And I'm just going to tighten that up. It is fiddly. I would think you replace it from the bottom would be better, but there you go. This is going to take a little bit of time. And that's it. And the last part would be basically to attach this onto these screws, which is the gripper and hand grip. Just gonna undo these screws just a little bit and then place this. Okay, so I have to undo them both because you want to, there you go, unscrew them and tighten this up again with the larger Allen key, like so. So this is the cage built. That is the monitor mount right here, your microphone mount right here, another quite a few options for your mount, and then the camera right here. I'll have to mount the camera in it, but for that basically I'm going to use my phone for the rest of this video. So this is the camera mounted on the cage right here. Basically what you have to do is just do this button, the screw that you have over here, that's gonna go into the thread that your camera has, and basically it's solid, it's well built metal, well, apart from that little screw that actually had some I had some problem with it, tightening it up and loosening it. Again, this little level here, if you undo this, then the base is going to slide up and down, and you can adjust your height off the camera and all that. Like I said, you have the monitor mount right here, your microphone mount right here, and so many other options that you can have with it. Once again, for that money, it's a well-built cage. It's got quite a little bit of weight and sturdy and all that. It's a good cage again.